in today's scenario, in today's day and age, we all are under a pressure. Probably, I am using the word pressure to look a certain way or to look perfect under the influence of social media or Bollywood stars or whatever you may call it. But हम ये deny नहीं कर सकते that we are under the pressure. Earlier, we used to see only Bollywood celebrities and people of media going into such detailed skincare regime. But now we see कॉमन इंडिविजुअल के अंदर भी चाह है, वो चाहता है कि मैं भी उतना ही सुंदर दिखूं, मेरी स्किन भी उतनी ही क्लियर दिखे, मैं उतना ही यूथफुल रहूं. एंड आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनीथिंग बैड इन इट. इट्स वेरी मच एक्सेप्टेबल.
True.
एज एन इंडिविजुअल एक ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी है, सीकिंग है टू लुक a certain way, and definitely the way we look from outside is influenced by our confidence. But one of the videos I recently shared on my solo podcast कि ब्यूटी का जब हम नाम लेते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में सिर्फ एक्सटर्नल ब्यूटी आती है. बट आई रियली तो आई फोकस्ड ऑन दैट पॉडकास्ट कंसर्निंग इंटरनल ब्यूटी.
Right.
कि वो भी उसका भी ध्यान रखना है. बट कमिंग बैक, नॉट डेविएटिंग फ्रॉम द टॉपिक, we are all under the pressure. The one thing that immediately comes to my mind are fillers and Botox. According to my understanding, these are injections that you take on your face to look a certain way. But I would want you to detail, आप इस बारे में बात करो कि फिलर्स और बोटॉक्स क्या होते हैं, उन दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस क्या होता है. एंड ऑल्सो आई वॉन्ट टू like highlight on this part that it's a very hush topic. If somebody is taking fillers or it's somebody is using those services, they don't generally talk about it. And Bollywood, maybe we see this buzz that इसने botox कराया, उसने botox कराया, but no one is talking about it. Why is that? ऐसा क्यों है ये टॉपिक, इतना हश हश क्यों है?
Yes, I'll say that ki, it's important to look good. Not because it is required by the society, but because कि आपको खुद को ही अच्छा लगता है. You feel confident in doing whatever things that you are undertaking. You feel more confident. You because of that you try to excel in the things जो आप कर रहे हैं. So looking a certain way or matching up to your expectation is very important. And there are a lot of things, not just botulinum injections or fillers, I'll say, that help in achieving it. Now, botulinum, and it's not actually the Botox is the name, it's the trade name of a certain specific brand. We call it as botulinum injections. And botulinum and fillers, they are, the main component of the anti-aging treatments that we do. Now, botulinum injections are kind of purified protein things that help in relaxing the facial muscles of expression. So if say if you are getting a lot of forehead lines here, when you smile you get a lot of eye wrinkles, chin puckering, dimpling. So it helps in relaxing those muscles and gives you a stretched shiny face, and that looks quite good sometimes. And even you feel a lot more confident about it. It takes away your age numbers. You look a little younger because you don't have wrinkles. You have a stretched skin. You don't have a saggy, wrinkly skin. So that way, botulinum works wonders.
Okay.
The only thing is nothing is permanent. Aging spares no one, and nothing is permanent. So it will require maintenance.
How long does it last if you take one session?
Almost 3 to 4 months. Depends again on the profile. अगर आप थोड़ा सा say 50+ हैं तो हो सकता हो कम भी लास्ट करे. आप यंग हैं तो ज़्यादा भी लास्ट करें. देयर इज़ नो स्पेसिफिक एज कि जिसके बाद में आपको लेना है. बट यूजुअली आप यंग अडल्ट हैं, इफ़ यू हैव रिंकल्स, से यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों को आता है. इवन आई गेट द बोटॉक्स डन. आई इंजेक्ट माई सेल्फ इन दिस एरिया. सो इट लुक्स अ लिटिल स्ट्रेच्ड आउट. इट डजंट गिव यू puckering. When you speak you feel more confident, you feel so good. And it gives when I speak, sometimes the people also are willing to listen, because it gives you that appearance. I'm unable to describe it properly, but एक certain way में I'm able to speak and it kind of captivates you.
I got you.
You know, so it's important. So I get this area. So there is no specific age where you can, if you have the wrinkles, of course we don't do it in kids, but yeah, if you are an adult and if you have wrinkles, we do it.
That's so transparent of you to speak on camera, because I see nowadays people are not vocal about these things.
Nowadays people are starting to get vocal about it.
Okay.
Initially actresses or celebrities, yeah, TV actors, whatever they have done, they keep it to themselves. But those who know, they know कि they have got it done. भले ही नहीं बता रहे हैं, but they have got it done. As I said, aging spares no one.
Yeah.
If you are maintaining it, you'll get a youthful skin, a little younger looking skin. If you're not, so there's nothing to hide about. But there, you know, in Indian society कई बार रहता है कि ये क्या ज़रूरत थी, इसकी क्या ज़रूरत थी, इस टाइप के notions भी हैं. So people rather, फिर कई बार लगता है they keep it to themselves rather than, you know, blurting it out.
For a normal Indian society female, if she is watching this, consuming this podcast, how much does it cost? Like the whole process of these things.
It depends on the number of units in botulinum that we are injecting. आपको कौन सा area कराना है. If it is a small area, few units, तो it might cost you just 3,000 rupees. If it's a very big area, entire phase, it might go up till 10,000. So it depends कि कितना area करना है and कितने units we are injecting.
Okay.
So it's like that.
So these are still, so to say, affordable ranges.
Definitely.
I thought probably they go into lakhs.
It's a myth that all these things are like very unaffordable, very expensive, meant only for the celebrities. These are all myth. ये सब myths हैं. And at least, you know, even people should make an attempt to clear it out. एक बार वो, they should come and reach out to us एक बार consult करने के लिए कि as per their phase उनको कितनी unit जाएगा, उनका कितना expenditure आएगा, so that they can arrange the budget and, you know, gather courage to go for it. So it's like that. Of course, as I said, nothing is permanent, but ऐसा नहीं है कि जब उसका effect ख़त्म हो रहा है तो वो और worsened stage में आ रहा है. Your skin will gradually retain the original thing.
And what are the side effects?
Botox in an experienced hand is safe. I have really not experienced any side effect with Botox. Sometimes a minor bruise at some injection point might be there. वो आप किसी भी injectable से expect कर सकते हैं. वो ब्रूज बहुत ही टेम्पररी होता है. विद इन 7-10 days वी गिव सम ऑइंटमेंट्स, वो रिजॉल्व हो जाता है. अदर देन दैट, आई इन माई प्रैक्टिस हैव नॉट एक्सपीरियंस्ड एनी मेजर साइड इफेक्ट विद बोट्युलिनम.
देयर इज दिस नोशन कि जब आप बोटॉक्स के लिए जाते हो तो आपके चेहरा एक हफ्ते तक ढकना होता है एंड आपको दूसरों से छुप कर रहना होता है because you can't go out.
एग्जैक्टली, बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसा. ये सब मिथ हैं. सो 2 days के लिए भी गिव पोस्ट प्रोसीजर केयर कि 2 days तक बहुत ज़्यादा मसाज एंड ऑल मत करो. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि बाहर नहीं निकल सकते. यू कैन गो आउट, सनस्क्रीन लगाओ, जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सो इट्स अ ऑफिस प्रोसीजर. यू कैन गो आउट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा इंजेक्शन मार्क रहेगा, वो विद इन 24 hours चला जाता है जहाँ पे हमने इंजेक्ट किया है. इट्स लाइक दैट.
सो उसमें कोई आपको एडमिशन होने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है?
अरे नहीं, एब्सोल्युटली.
इट्स अ नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर.
या इट्स एन ऑफिस प्रोसीजर. यू वॉक इन, you get the thing done, you
go out.
Now fillers are entirely different thing. Botulinum से आपके facial muscles relax हो रहे हैं and आपको एक stretched out appearance face का मिल रहा है. Fillers are hyaluronic acid. हम लोग अभी डिस्कस कर रहे थे application ones, अब हम आ रहे हैं injectable ones पे. So वैसे तो fillers के अलग अलग composition हो सकते हैं, but जो common fillers that most of us do for majority of the indications, they are comprising of hyaluronic acid. They are very purified forms and now as I said कि hyaluronic acid आपका ground substance होता है dermis का. एज के साथ में वो ground substance का resorption होता रहता है, उतना formation नहीं होता. We trying to replenish it to give you a youthful. So अगर आपको facial contouring चाहिए, we call it as contouring. आपको face contour कराना, you need cheekbone definition, highlighting, ताकि Korean glass skin जो आपको achieve करनी है, वो आपको यहाँ पे जब bones पे जब light पड़ती है, reflects well. So I might, as per the profile, I might give a cheekbone definition through the filler. I might treat your smile lines. I might treat your marionette folds. So I might treat your under eye hollows, the dark circles, with that. So I'll say that fillers are one of the most wonderful things that can achieve a lot of anti-aging instantly. बोटुलिनम में इफेक्ट्स में देखने में हमें एट द मोस्ट 2 वीक्स लग सकते हैं,
Okay.
बट जो फिलर्स हैं उसमें इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट्स यू गेट. सो इट्स समथिंग वेरी वंडरफुल एंड फिलर्स आर लॉन्गर लास्टिंग.
Okay.
Almost 6 months chala jata hai. Some people, obviously it's an average that I'm quoting. Some people might have a little faster dissolution of effects. Some people might have even longer lasting effects, but average 6 months chala jata hai. And if you are topping it up time to time पे तो उसका effects फिर longevity होने लगती है, फिर वो 1 साल भी निकलने लगता है, like that.
Is it painful?
We numb the area where we are planning to inject, and then we inject, so the pain is very very low.
इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. तो ऐसे ही अपनी नॉलेज को अपग्रेड करने के लिए, मोटिवेट होने के लिए और मैजिक से एंटरटेन होने के लिए देखते रहिए इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट मैजिकल पॉडकास्ट होकस पोकस विद आंचल.